Hello friends, welcome to the new series of MongoDB tutorials. Today we are going to, in this series we are going to learn about the shell commands of the MongoDB. Okay, so step by step we are going to learn each and everything. So let's get started. So first of today we are going to learn about the how to open a MongoDB shell in using the terminal. Okay, so we are going to start with it, and those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe and hit the like to my video. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, to open the shell command, let me clear this one. Okay, so first of all you need to restart the MongoDB. Okay, so I need to restart the MongoDB with this command sudo service mongod restart. Okay, so I am restarting the MongoDB. Okay, so you need to add mongod, I think mongo. Okay, so MongoDB server is restart. Okay, so this is how I can open the shell commands. Okay, so I can check the dbs. So you can see that dbs. Okay, so you can see that we have all the db collections, right? So this is just to, so this video only is just for the how to open the mongo shell command and how to write the commands. Okay, so in the next one we are going to learn about how to show the dbs and how to show their collections. Okay, so be with us and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching it. Have a great day.